Howdy you all. Well, I'm just back from the shops. Went down for an impromptu shopping trip down at the shops just to get a few bits and pieces. And of course a big thank you to Jocelyn for sending me a super. That's much appreciated. So please stay tuned and watch and see what bargains I got from the shops. And of course we do have member shout-outs during the video where we just give thanks to our members, or where I just give thanks to my members. So please stay tuned and enjoy. So first up, I got these beef bones for quick sale. Was $6.40, no, was $8.64 and reduced to $1.73, and this will go beautifully in the crock pot for a slow cooked stew. Also I got a couple of these lamb hearts that can go in. $6 the original price, reduced to $1.20, so they'll be just lovely. 2 packets of those. They'll be just lovely in the crock pot with the beef bones, and that should make a beautiful slow cooked stew in my crock pot. A jar of equal fake sugar, which I was out of, $6, no great special there, but never mind. Coles Urban Grind coffee. I needed some real coffee, and of course this is all thank you to Jocelyn. So if you could check out her channel, Hope for Life Walker, and show her some love, that would be much appreciated. And the price for that, $5. No great special there, but never mind. Nescafe Gold 98% sugar-free choc hazelwood mocha coffee sachets. And that was half price at $3.80, so I bought that. Coles garlic bread, $2.30. Well, that's gone up in price, but never mind. I do like my garlic bread, and of course this is a twin pack, and I just wrap it up in aluminum foil and it just cooks beautifully, even though it's the cheap one. And Arnott's chocolate cookies, Tim Tam cookies, chewy caramel, and of course these are delicious, and they were a half price special as well, $2.25. I remember when the normal full price not that long ago was $2.25, but anyways, we all know how inflation is these days, and I will put up on screen my total spend for Coles. I believe it was about $20, so from Coles that I spent. I will put it up later. Then we went to Woolworths. Lamb 4-quarter chops. I'm going to marinate these up and have them for supper. I'll marinate them in some Indonesian sweet soy sauce, some ketchup manis, and they'll be absolutely lovely. And they were $15 a kilo, total price $13.82. No great special there, but I thought, well, I might as well for something a bit different. And a piece of Kent pumpkin, and that was $2.50 for this piece. And I'll roast that up tonight, and that'll be absolutely lovely. And of course I did have a bit of a walk around some of the other stores, discount stores, thrift stores, and second-hand stores, and it's always interesting what I find at those. I got this purse, $6, and that will be absolutely wonderful, and that was from St. Vinny's thrift store. And of course I'm always wanting these socks, I seem to go through those, and they were $5 for a couple of ladies' anklet socks, so had to have those. So total price from St. Vinny's, $11, total spend there. I had a look at Botero and they had these chocolates cheap. And I've had these before and they're quite nice, and they were only $3, 6.35 ounce. And I know this one is generally about $9 price for this size, so I just had to grab some of those, and I can put them aside for a birthday present if they don't evaporate first. Always seem to have a lot of trouble with evaporation around here when it comes to cookies and chocolates. And I went down to a local second-hand dealer, the local cash trader, so we're going to give him a shout actually. I got some nice bargains there. I was really looking for a cover for this iPad. And do you have any of these that you could sell for my iPad? And he had a look at his drawer, and he had a stack of them, but this was the only one that fit, and he gave that one away for free. So I thought, oh wow, that's a real bonus. But I've been wanting some new wireless earphones as well. And I got these nice ones, Beats by Dre, or DRE, whatever you call it. Wireless earphones, Bluetooth, and they were $40 and they work quite well, so that's a real bonus. So I'm glad to get those, and I certainly don't mind spending something at his shop, especially when he gave me this cover for my iPad for free. So anyways, we'll wrap this up in a minute. A big thank you to everybody who's come on here. So if you've watched this little video through to the very end, I thank you and I appreciate you so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and please do smash that little bell and choose all alerts. Also, if you are subscribed to my channel, please consider becoming a member of my channel, and we do have member shout-outs and member exclusive videos and posts. And I am wanting to get some stickers made when I can do it, and send a sticker out to each of my members as well. Some exclusive member only stickers. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Also, please do check out my merchandise store. This hoodie that I'm wearing is an example of that. And links down below in the description. And there's also a shopping tab on my channel, so anybody who buys merchandise off my channel is much appreciated. Anyways, we're about to wrap things up for the day here now. So a big thank you to everybody who's watched here. Please do share my videos out. I really do need something to go viral, because inflation's out of control here and the economy's absolutely smashed. And so if I had some videos go viral, I'd be able to move back home to the United States, which would be really lovely. Anyways, we're going to call it for the day, so take care, God bless, and until next time, bye bye!